I spent $1,300 at Ace Hardware store for Hogue knives. They're pretty awesome. So yeah, sometimes you can find some awesome knives at the hardware store. So Hogue knives are actually pretty awesome. Beautiful holders. Some of them are really expensive. I really like that, like a breaker over here. There's a big flipper. Wow, that's comfortable. Hogue. See how much I paid for that one. This is $210 from what I see. Beautiful frame lock. Is it super smooth? It costs quite smooth. Locks in really nice. Check this out. Nice big camping knife over here. Clip on top. Pretty soft. So comfortable. I like this flipper. It blocks it from hitting your hand. Not super smooth knife, but I like it. Anyways, let's keep on going. See what we got. This one is kind of light. Microswitch. It's $170 knife. Much smaller. That's why it's cheaper. Less material. So looks like there's a safety. Boom. I love the drop point. Is that what it's called? Sometimes they tell you the shape of the blade over here. Gray aluminum, and there's Hogue USA A01 MS CPM 154. Is that the steel? This is a nice pocket knife. I love that, and I like it whenever if it's automatic. There's a safety. Beautiful. A little bit wiggly whenever you press the button. Safety is not perfect, but still beautiful knife. Next, love the boxes right here. Exploit. This one $320. Let's see what's so special about it. Oh, that's why it's OTF knife. Out of front. Beautiful. A little bit to the side, to this side. So kind of easy. And there's a second. So it's a dual safety. Hogue knife. Exploit USA. Can pronounce the name of the designer. CPM S30V, so that's steel of the blade. Has a little bit of a blade wiggle or blade play. You hear it? But even Microtech has them. I only know one brand that doesn't have any play at all or wiggle. This is just nature of the knife. So beautiful. That's my first. That's where the balance is. Usually it's not perfect balance. Yeah, Hogue knife OTF. Tanto blade, is that what it's called? Still learning a lot about blades and things like that. Okay, this one A05. This one is $350. Yes, and I bought them at Ace Hardware store. I just saw a huge knife like display, and I bought a bunch of knives for the videos. So looks like reversible clip, very soft. Is this automatic? Yeah. That's on safety right now. Ooh, it kicks. I really love that blade. It looks like a little dagger almost. Wow. Let's look at it close up. Same person designed it. They said they just got it in 3 weeks ago, so they're pretty new. CPM 154 steel. Hogue, and there's a name for it. Look at that. Look at that kick. I'm just gonna hold it with 2 fingers. Do you see how much it kicks? It's such a big blade. Love that. It's a fun knife for sure. Automatic. And this one, EX03, and everything about it, it says right here. This one is $160. They also had a bunch of Benchmates, but I had them all. This one is a cool safety. I really like that skinny knife over here. Okay, where's safety off? Is it not safety? Oh wow, it's not. So it is not automatic. Cool. Whoa, it's smooth. So you can actually use the button to open it and close it. You see, you open it. Wow, that's comfortable. the balance on that knife is not going to be perfect. That's not where I want to hold the knife. I want to hold the knife right here, and as you can see, it's off balance, but because it has so much locking mechanisms right here, so it's kind of hard. Interesting handle, 154 cm. There's the designer name. I love that. Like, what is this? Kind of like a standard blade, kind of like a kitchen knife style. Durable, there's no play. If you buy a cheap Chinese knife or like fake knife, the handle is very squishable, like very cheap material. So yeah, this is on safety. The button will not work. So what is this safety does? I have no idea then. Okay, I guess you put it on safety, then there you go, that makes sense. Then it won't lock on you whenever you hold it, so that way you don't press it by mistake. Makes sense. Then to close it, you just press it. You can open it this way. You can flick it this way. Well, maybe not so much flick it, but it is a very smooth knife. Left-handed, no problem. You can press the button left-handed. Boom. Spider claw flip. Let's see. Maybe not so. But there you go. I really love that knife a lot. Thought it was also automatic, so it's kind of nice. So safety doesn't really do anything in a closed position. The safety is for open position, so it does not close on you. Very unique. So yeah, let me know in comments below which Hogue knife was your favorite. I'd say this one for sure. This couple of my favorites right here. I mean, they all so unique. Check this out. That's why I got them. I like that tool over here, breaker, and a flipper. So nice. Hard to pick which one is the favorite. This all very interesting and unique.